In this video, I'm going to talk about how video helps with your inbound marketing. My name's Eric Siu. I'm the host of the weekly entrepreneurial podcast, Growth Everywhere, and the co-host of the daily marketing podcast, Marketing School, with my buddy, Neil Patel. I create all this content to help you individually and to help you level up your business. So let's get into it. We're creating this. First and foremost, this goes on YouTube, for example. And what YouTube does is it allows you to rank for different keywords. We are doing the research out there. It's the same thing with SEO, right? YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. We're doing the keyword research. We're seeing what types of keywords do well. And then we're just actively creating content all the time. That helps with inbound marketing because if you have a video that ranks really well, it brings in traffic. We're able to retarget those people. We're able to build a subscriber base. We're able to build loyal followers. Video is great because you are listening to my voice. You're also seeing my face. You're getting to know who I am. The second thing you can do with video from an inbound perspective is you can take the videos that you have, you can embed it on your blog. It's going to increase the dwell time on your site. So by increasing the dwell time on your site, it's going to help you with the SEO. So it's a double whammy. You win on YouTube SEO, you also win on SEO on your website. Number 3, in terms of helping your inbound marketing, you don't just take the video, like this video I just made right now, it's not just going to appear on YouTube. We are going to repurpose it. It might pop up on our Instagram. It might pop up on our LinkedIn, for example. By the way, our LinkedIn, the video views actually performs better than YouTube as of right now because my reach is higher on LinkedIn. And plus people are out there to do business. So we're actively repurposing the video content that we do because we spend a lot of time doing this. Like we edit it, we get the captions as well. We have to come up with the topics. Everyone's working hard on these videos. So, have a great team around you too. You have to, give them the credit for helping you put that together. Going back to the repurposing, you can take that video and you can boost it or you can run ads towards it and you can literally make a funnel. On Facebook, if you have no audience at all, you can just take that video, run ads towards it. You're paying maybe 1 cent to 2 cents per video view, maybe even less if the video is incredibly good and a ton of people are sharing it. It's very viral. I hate using the word. And from there, you can basically retarget people that have watched 10% of the video, 25%, 10 seconds of the video, whatever, and you can take them down a journey. You don't even need to have an audience. Just make videos. You don't even need to be that good at videos. Those are just a couple things that you can do for it to help your overall inbound marketing. When I say inbound marketing, I'm not just talking about SEO. I'm just talking about people kind of finding out about you, people hearing about you. And in Instagram, kind of as a bonus, if you're putting up a story, tag people that you're talking about in your video. If I'm talking about books, for example, I might tag the authors, for example. You might get on their radar. And by that, I mean, if they see who you are, they're gonna follow you. That's inbound marketing, okay? So it's all about connecting with people, being useful to people. That's what it is in life. You're just connecting at scale now. You're using the tools that are available to you. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave a comment. Let us know what you plan to do to level up your business and yourself. And don't forget to hit subscribe. And we'll see you tomorrow.